Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2018 Nissan Altima. This is the SR trim level. So the alloy wheels that you see there, the fog lights. As we move around to the back of the vehicle, the trunk lid spoiler. What we don't see is the sport tune suspension, which that would be on the SR model. All right, let's take a look at the interior. This is Newton certified pre-owned, so you'll want to ask about the peace of mind benefits that come with that program. It is gun metallic on the charcoal interior. You'll notice with the this SR, it has really nice piping around the seats, so it produces a really nice look in the interior. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt-in cruise is standard. Power driver's seat with lumbar. Coming on the inside, you'll notice paddle shifters. Okay, you can take and put the vehicle into the more of a standard driving mode. Okay, right there, and then you can use the paddle shifters to shift up and down. Audio controls, Bluetooth hands-free phone operation, streaming audio with your cruise. As we see on the other side of this paddle shifter, there is the auto headlights right there, and there's also the switch for the fog lights right there as well. Okay. Nissan Intelligent Key. Don't have to take it out of pocket or purse in order to be able to access your car to unlock, lock, get in, also to use the push button ignition, all without taking the key out of your pocket. Uses a proximity sensor there for that. Okay. Rear view camera. I'll turn the radio off there for a moment. Here's the intelligent key that you would utilize. Like I said, don't have to take it out of pocket or purse. So, sport tune suspension. If you're looking for a great family car that is also fun to drive, this vehicle might be for you. Keep in mind that this vehicle is available for a limited time, and you can see more information at newtonnissan.com.